welcome back to Truck Spotting Great Lakes. We are in Iowa on US20 back roads. It's a beautiful morning. The sun is just rising, and I figured a perfect time to talk to you guys. Or I haven't seen you guys in a bit, so let's have a chat. How's everything going? May is coming, or is here. So it's camping season, yay! I've been waiting for this for a long time. I'm getting tired of that white stuff. We're heading back from, I delivered the load in Calgary, and then I went down into Washington, Seattle, Washington area, picked up a load, got a load of onions on, working our way back, and we're in Iowa, so I'll still be in the States by the time the day is over. But I'll be probably around Dexter, Michigan. That's probably where I'm going to end up being tonight, or close to it. I got to deliver my load sometime tomorrow. Never had a date, or never had time, just had a date. So we'll get there when we get there. To hit that like, subscribe button if you haven't already done that. And if you have, thank you very much for being around and supporting us and our channel. We got a lot of exciting things that's coming up this summer, and don't want to miss that out. Don't want to miss out on that, right? I just woke up, so that's my excuse for not being able to talk, right? I haven't even had a sip of my coffee yet. I'm running with another friend of mine. She's back behind me. She's usually in front of me. Actually, we take turns to take the front door. She's behind me right now. We ran together going to Calgary, across Canada, and I met up with her after she picked up her load. I had already had my load, and running back. I normally don't like to run with anybody, but I like to run with her. Not too many people I like to run with. That's the thing is, when you're running with someone, you pretty much do what they want to do, or they do what you want to do, or, you know, it's, sometimes you feel like you have to go with them, or you have to stop when they stop, or, you know, if you want to take a nap, you can't just say, hey, I'm taking a nap. Because if we gotta go, right? I imagine if I say, hey, I gotta take a nap, she'll say, okay, no problem. You know, she'll say, well, then you take a nap, I gotta keep on trucking. Which I know that's what she'll say. Because I don't have a time, but she does. I have a date, she's got a date to deliver, but I don't have a time, and she does. And the load that I got on right now is supposed to have been hers, but she didn't think that she was able to make it, so they gave it to me. And then all of a sudden they about 800 miles, give or take, to the customer now. I'm 728 miles to Windsor, Ontario. Got some interesting stuff happening this summer. A lot of truck shows, truck drag shows, and things like that. I do believe is what we got too going on. So we got some nice stuff coming towards you guys. If you can't get there, then we'll get there for you. And we'll do our best to show you the trucks. Old ones, new ones, whatever. Still is a beautiful morning. You would figure with all these windmills, the earth would go faster, spinning around, right? It's almost like these things are trying to turn the world faster around. Imagine if you had all these windmills and they're all facing one way and they're all turning to one way. Wouldn't that make the earth turn faster? There is a lot of windmills though. I think they'll need a lot more windmills to do that. stronger the wind, the more chances of turning into a tornado. I don't know. I guess if you have them all angled in one area or angled at different angles, it might. These are things that I think about while I'm driving down the road. Because why not? There's nothing else to think about. I've come up with some good theories and good ideas. I even came up with an invention while I was driving down the highway. I just couldn't get anybody to believe in me. But I went and brought it to invent help, or help invent help, yeah. And they said it was a great idea. I probably would have made, well, I probably would not be working right now. But, oh well, it is life. Has anybody come up with an invention? If so, is it out there? How did it work out for you? Anyways, with that, hope you guys have a fantastic day. Looks like it's going to be, well, I would say a beautiful day, but it looks like with the clouds coming in, it's not going to be so beautiful for me. Free truck walk. But you guys have yourself a